Hi, I am Devjani Nath. Welcome back to my channel Craft Addict. Today in this episode, I am going to show you how to crochet an adorable crochet belt which is perfect for your summer fashion, I think. So if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that you can get the notification early. I shall leave all the information in the description box below. Do like, share and comments. I will try my best to answer you. And now let's get started. For this project I am here using this 100% cotton 4 ply knitting yarn. This is from Magic Needles, and we will need this metal frame buckle for making belt, and this is 4 centimeter wide, and I am using 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, pair of scissors and darning needle. Now start with a slip knot. Make a slip knot, and now I am going to make single crochet in this buckle, and how I am making, just follow me. Make single crochet around this and make as many as you like. The first 2 rows will be a little tricky, but afterwards don't worry, it will be very easy after getting into the pattern. Take your time and make the first 2 rows slowly. Now make chain 1 and turn your work. I have now 9 stitches here. Make just 1 or 2 more rows of single crochet, and we will start our pattern from the right side. Remember that. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Now I have 9 stitches here. In this row I will decrease 2 stitches, one from the starting and one from the ending. So at the starting of your row, decrease 1 stitch, and we will also decrease 1 stitch at the end of the row, so that we should have 7 stitches at the end of this row. Now at the end of this row, chain 1 and we will turn our work, and this is the right side. And now I am going to make the pattern. Insert your hook to the first stitch, pull up the loop and pull up the loop from each of the stitches. Only pull up the loop from each of the stitches. And now I have 7 loops. Yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, again yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. First time we will make yarn over, pull through 1 loop, then the rest of the time we will make through 2 loops. So remember that. Again at the end make chain 1. Now again insert your hook through the front loops. We will insert our hook through the front loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, go to the end of this row and we should have 7 loops on our hook. Don't miss the last loop. Yarn over, pull through the first one, then yarn over, pull through 2, again pull through 2, and at the end make chain 1. And this is the only pattern, and we will just repeat this pattern you again over and over. Just we will repeat the same pattern and make your belt as long as you want. I have made it 37 inch. You can make up to 35 inches. Some of them are for 35 inches, smaller ones. I have made it 37 inches. So go on making in this way. Count your loops every time you are working. Now I have completed the belt, and this is about 37 inches. This is how it looks now. Now I'm going to make the ending row. Just one row of single crochet. Insert your hook through the spaces in between the stitches. Make one single crochet row. You can make 2 or 3 more rows also. Now the belt is complete now, and I am going to make a small strap around this belt. I am showing you how to make this small strap around this belt. Take your yarn and make a slip knot, and now I am going to make chain of 11. Now join the last stitch. Insert your hook through the first stitch to make a round. Join it. Pull through the 2 stitches and then make chain 1. And make 1 single crochet in the same stitch and each of the stitches. Now we will work in round. Make 2 rounds of single crochet, just 2 rounds of single crochet, and we will get our strap. In this way you can make your strap. You can make it in other design also. I am here making with a single crochet only. So complete your strap. I am coming back after completing my strap. So this is my strap. I have completed it. So insert the belt through it now. Now the belt is ready. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye. Have a great day.